like they're not shining.
Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
Yeah,
I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me.
and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see.
But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say,
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for
Go flying, flying.